My name is Zachary Kelley, the owner of Kelley Property Care, your dedicated care partner. Now, if you're seeing this video, it's because you're someone who values home maintenance service, or maybe just a friend or family or weird uncle sent us to you in the form of a referral. I could sit here all day and talk to you about how we're the only successful company to have cleaned the Guadalupe County Courthouse, as well as the McKenna Children's Museum in New Braunfels, as well as the city of New Braunfels itself. But I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'd like to introduce you to one of our most loyal relationships, someone who's entrusted us to clean dozens of his homes, Mr. Hunter Crone.
Hi, I'm Hunter Crone. I own the Lakefront Group and the Hill Country Luxury Group. In selling high-end luxury homes and lake houses, you get one chance at a first impression. And when somebody pulls up to the house and there's cobwebs and the roof is dirty and the driveway needs to be cleaned, it really doesn't go well with most buyers. To maximize our sellers' profit, we recommend Kelley Property Care hands down. Everybody that we've sent to Kelley Property Care has been extremely happy with the results. Not only just the actual cleaning, but the service that they got throughout the process. In my mind, the difference between a good business and a great business is how you handle issues that come up. With any contractor that you work with, there's going to be issues that come up. It's how they handle those issues really sets them apart from the rest. You have a lot of options for people to clean your house. If you want it done right and professionally, look no further than Kelley Property Care.